She's all like twinkle toes, ready? she's like, wait, I gotta wait to get my foot in.
You got like one. You not have anything to do. Oh.
How many?
Wait, it's my turn.
Oh yeah.
Shut up.
7.
1, 2, 3.
Even beating you.
Go. How'd you get? You got nothing. Oh my God, I'm so dizzy.
Whose turn? It's yours.
My turn.
I know.
Is it? Mine?
Yeah.
Are you butt?
Yeah. First
Okay,
base.
go.
That's next.
Let's see.
Spin, spin, spin. You're gonna be like, wait. Okay, you. Why turn get better than? Oh my God.
Yay!
Okay, turn again.
God damn it! Why you gotta take
I'm not doing the in between the leg bumper and I'm like hating myself.
Okay, ready?
Or no, when I go to lift my leg up, I'm gonna slip and fall. That's what I'm gonna do. I thought we been starting a new trend.
Ow! You. When my liver drops out of my body, I'm gonna kill you. You're an ass. You look like an ass.
What am I doing? What am I doing? I'm not doing the underleg because I said I was either gonna slip and fall or I was gonna like hit my leg.
Go.
Bad. What am I doing? Go.
Alright. Close your eyes and face up without bending over. This is not gonna be pretty. That's okay, it's all good.
Close your eyes and bend over.
Remember, keep your head facing us. Ready? Well, I don't